With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the question is, one half of a convex lens of focal length 10 cm is covered with a black paper. Can such a lens produce an image of complete object placed at 30 cm from the lens? Draw a ray diagram to justify your answer. And the another part of this question is, a 4 cm tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of convex lens of focal length 20 cm. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 cm. Find the nature, position and size of the image. So let me solve the first portion of the question. So the given is, we have given that the focal length of the lens is 10 cm. Okay, the position of the image is 30 cm, and we have to calculate either the image formed and the image is formed or not. So the condition is the half lens is covered. So let me draw the ray diagram first. It is the ray diagram. I have a convex lens. Okay, this is the convex lens. This is the focal point f1. This is the 2f point. Similarly here the point f and the 2f point. Okay, so by using a lens formula, I calculate the position of the image. Okay, so I am using a lens formula here, 1 upon f, 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. And so given the focal length of a convex lens is positive, so 1 by 10, 1 by v I have to calculate. But as you see, the object is here. This is the object, which is 30 cm from the lens. Okay, and it is the the left side of the lens, so we are considering this as negative. So 1 by minus 30. After solving this, what we get? 1 by 10 minus 1 by 30, and v equals to 15 cm we will get. Okay, so as we know, if the object is placed far away from the 2f point, the nature of the image formed of image is diminished real and inverted. So to justify or verify whether the image formed as object is valid or not, so what we get, I have a formula. The height of the image and the height of the object is equals to minus v upon u. Okay, so if this ratio is valid, means if I put the values here 15 and 30, so what do I get? I get 1 by 2. So the image and the object is 1 by 2. So I am getting a valid value here. So the image will be formed, but as given in the question, the half part of that lens is covered. So what is the effect of that covering is the image formed, which is the image is formed at 15 cm and this is 10. This where something, so I draw a ray diagram here. here it will be, and again it got a point somewhere here. This is the image formed. I am representing as I. This is the ray diagram. Okay, so the image formed is 15 centimeter from the glass, but the intensity of that image formed is less than the intensity of that object, because only the half portion of the lens is allowing the light to pass through. This lower part of that lens is not allowing the light to pass through. That's why the intensity of the image formed will be less than the intensity of that object. Okay, in the second part of the same questions, I am asked that a 4 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of the convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of the image. So let me collect the data first. Given focal length is 20 centimeter, position of the object is 15 centimeter, and I have to calculate the position of the image formed. And also given the height of the object is 4 centimeter. Let's say h0, 4 centimeter, and I have to calculate the height of the image formed and the nature. Okay, so simply I'm using here the lens formula. 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Okay, and before that, using a lens formula, I roughly draw a ray diagram or the level image. This is the convex lens. Okay, and this is the focal point f, also the focal point f. This is 20 centimeter and the image is at, sorry, the object is at 15 centimeter. The object is here. So as we know, if the object is placed in between the focal and the pole of the lens, the image formed is on the same side of that object. So let me draw the ray diagram first. So it will be like that. It is reflecting from that side, and it will be like that. So if I am producing that rays in behind, okay, producing that rays behind, so it will be meet at some point. You can see the here. So here I get the image on the same side of that object. So this is the image. Okay, so as you can see, the image form is the same side of the object, so the value of v should be considered as negative. I just fill the values 1 by 20. 1 upon v I have to calculate, minus and minus, plus, because this is in the same side, what we have given, 1 by 15, producing that 1 upon v is equals to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 15, taking a LCM, 60, 3 minus 4, which is equals to 1 by, what is that, minus 1 by 60. Okay, so the image formed at minus 60 centimeter, and minus sign indicate that the image will be formed at the same side of that object. Okay, so this distance is 60 centimeter. So how we calculate the height of that image formed is, so I have a formula, the height of the image upon the height of the object, which is equals to the v upon u. We are neglecting the directions or the positions of the images. Okay, so what I have to calculate the image of height of the image formed. Let me say that is x, and the height of the object I have 4, and I have 60 the value of v, and 15 the value of, so when I cancel out and do a cross product, it will be 16 centimeter. So the height of the image is 16 centimeter. This is the height of the image. What will be the nature? Nature of image will be, it is virtual. It is enlarged. Virtual and erect. Nature of the image is enlarged, virtual and erect, and the height of the image, which I am considering hi, is equals to 16 centimeter. Okay, and the position is minus 16. These three are the points which I have to calculate.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.